Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make ube stuffed French toast, so let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by making ube syrup. In a saucepan, add 1.5 cups of white sugar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and 1 cup of water. Mix everything together and then bring your mixture to a boil. Once it starts boiling, reduce it to a simmer and then let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. By the way, don't stir the syrup while it's simmering. After the 3 to 5 minutes, remove the syrup from the heat and then add 2 to 3 teaspoons of Ube Flavoring and 1/2 teaspoon of Vanilla Extract. Mix everything together until well combined and then let the syrup cool for about 10 minutes. Once the syrup has cooled, store it in an airtight container and then place it in the fridge until you're ready to use it. Next, we're going to make the ube filling. In a large bowl, add 8 ounces of room temperature cream cheese. Then beat the cream cheese until smooth. When you're finished, scrape the sides of the bowl. Then add 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and beat until combined. Once the powdered sugar and cream cheese are mixed together and well combined, scrape the sides of the bowl again. Now gradually mix in 2 cups of heavy cream. We want to incorporate the heavy cream, so we're going to add it a little at a time while mixing it into the cream cheese mixture. Do not add it all at once, just small amounts at a time. Once you've added all the heavy cream, continue to beat the mixture until medium peaks form. When you're finished, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of ube flavoring. Then mix it in until well combined. Once everything is mixed together, cover the bowl with plastic wrap and then place the ube filling in the fridge until you're ready to use it. Now we're going to make the French toast. In a bowl, add 3 eggs. Then add 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix the eggs and butter together until well combined. Next, mix in 3/4 cup of heavy cream. Once the heavy cream is mixed in, add 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a bit of nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Once you've added all of your ingredients, mix everything together until well combined. When you're finished, set your egg mixture to the side. Next, cut 1 loaf of brioche bread into thick slices. Your bread slices should be this thick. Once you have finished slicing the bread, set it to the side. Next, in a pan over medium heat, add butter. Once the butter is melted, place a slice of bread in the egg mixture. Soak the bread in the egg mixture for about 10 to 15 seconds on each side. Once the slice of bread has finished soaking in the egg mixture, place it in the pan and then cook it until it is golden brown on both sides. Once the French toast has finished cooking, take it out of the pan. Repeat this process with the other slices of bread. Once you finish cooking the French toast, we can begin stuffing the French toast with the ube filling. First, prepare a piping bag. To do this, take a piping bag and cut the tip off. And then cut a tiny sliver off the corner. Then place the piping bag in a cup. Doing this will make it easier to put the ube filling into the piping bag. Next, add the ube filling into the piping bag. Once you've added the ube filling, take the piping bag out of the cup. Now you can begin stuffing the French toast. Take a slice of French toast and cut it down the middle, creating a pocket. Make sure not to cut too deep inside the French toast. Then, using the piping bag, pipe the filling into the French toast until you reach the top. Next, pipe 2 swirly lines on top of the French toast. Make sure when you're piping, the corner you cut off the piping bag is facing up. That way when you're piping the filling on, the swirls look more neat. Repeat this process with all of your French toast. Once you've finished stuffing your French toast with the ube filling and adding swirls on top, add some fruit on top as well. I'm adding strawberries, blackberries, and blueberries. I also added some mint leaves. After adding the fruit, add some powdered sugar. And that's it, you are all finished making your ube stuffed French toast. Now just add the ube syrup you made before and enjoy! This ube stuffed French toast was absolutely delicious and it looks so pretty! The ube filling wasn't too sweet, so it complemented the French toast perfectly, and the ube syrup added more ube flavor. I was inspired to make this after I saw Keith Lee from TikTok try the ube stuffed French toast from the Pepper Club in Las Vegas. I wanted to try the ube stuffed French toast so badly, so I decided to make it myself, and it turned out awesome. By the way, this isn't the recipe that they use at the Pepper Club, this is just my version of ube stuffed French toast. I totally recommend giving this recipe a try, especially if you love ube like I do. It is so good. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!